So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy XRP inside of your first home savings account or your FHSA here on Wealthsimple Trade. And in case you guys are new to Wealthsimple, I'll just go ahead here and show you guys my referral link. So if you go ahead and sign up using this referral link, both of us get $25, so that's pretty cool. But if you want to go buy XRP, go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass and go to the top. And I want you to type in ticker symbol XRP. Now, as you guys can tell, XRP right here, you can go ahead and select the crypto, but you actually can't do that. So you can just scroll down and go XRP, XRPQ, whatever the case may be. This is an ETF involving XRP. So once you have your ETF selected, go to the bottom left, select an account, and make sure that your FHSA or your first home savings account is selected. Once that is done, go to the bottom right and press on buy. Now on this page right here, you can go ahead and do the amount of shares you're looking to buy, or you can switch this to a fractional share. So if I wanted to buy, I don't know, 50 cents as an example, I'll just go ahead and press on review. And once you're on this page, you can actually review the transaction, and if all looks good to you, you can go to the bottom, press on Q order, or press on buy, and then proceed this way with the transaction. So that's how you guys can buy XRP inside of your first home savings account here on Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching. I hope this video helps.